everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm literally just going to be doing my makeup whilst having a chat with you guys. It's super chilled, grab yourself a cup of tea, maybe a snack. It's not going to be too long, but I just thought it'd be nice to have a little catch up with you guys, let you know how I'm doing, see how you guys are doing. Yeah, without further ado, let's get on with it and I hope you enjoy. So the first thing I'm going to do is my eyebrows. The one I'm currently using is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. They really need doing. I'm trying to grow them out, but they're growing in all the wrong places. Firstly, I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. I'm really enjoying doing it. I'm really trying to put the effort in to complete it this year, because the last few years I haven't been able to do it completely. Last year I got ill, so I ended up stopping Vlogmas because I'd already missed half of it from being ill, so I just thought, what's the point in carrying on? And then like the year before that, I feel like that was when I did my Vlogmas-ish. Can't remember if I just did it on the weekends or what, but I know when I first started I would just do Saturday and Sundays, and I would do that. There was one time I think I did weekly vlogs. But this year I thought, I'm not at school, I'm gonna try and do actual Vlogmas. So this year I just thought, if I can actually do like a proper Vlogmas, like this is the time that I can do it. Obviously it's a little different to other Vlogmases because it's not like we can go anywhere. Not that I really go anywhere anyway, so it's not much of a change, but I don't know, I just thought it'd be nice. It's a change for 2020, it's something to do. I'm just taking my L'Oreal True Match in 1N to conceal. I just thought it's something to do because, so basically as most of you probably know, I work at an ice cream parlour. So throughout lockdown, it was closed obviously because, well, we could do takeaway, but there's not really much point in us doing takeaway because we're like a little small company. And it's cold, so no one really wants ice cream. Where I live, I'm in tier 2, but where I work, they're in tier 3, so they still haven't opened. So I'm still not back at work yet, and I don't know when I will be. But throughout lockdown, I also got a second job. I've started doing some nannying. I look after 2 little girls, but now we're out of lockdown and dance has been back on. I haven't been able to do as many hours there, which they already knew to begin with anyway, so that's fine. But I'm only doing mornings with them now. So I've got a lot of free time. I'm trying to get my YouTube channel back on track anyway, because it's kind of been neglected throughout the year due to like circumstance, I guess. So I just thought now's the perfect time to get the channel back up and running, which is really, really great. So far, I haven't found doing Vlogmas too like overwhelming, too difficult. Obviously it's a lot of work. It's the getting it edited in time is what's difficult. But the first few days I managed to have some prepared, so I didn't have to worry too much. It's the last couple of days that I've struggled because I felt like I've had a rush to get everything done. Even though I've been up with enough time, I feel like it's kind of got on top of me. So I'm filming this on the day I'm uploading, and then I'm going to have to start vlogging ready for tomorrow. But I'm just determined to complete this, but I don't want to just put up any random video. So I was like, oh, I'll do a night routine, but then I was like, I don't have time to film one, so let's not just do anything just because. And my Instagram as well, because I started to get really good at uploading on Instagram. Yeah, I started to actually like upload regularly, which was a change because I never uploaded regularly on Instagram. I think Instagram is much harder to grow. I don't really know. My videos have been doing good, but not as good as they used to. I don't know. My watch time's going up, which is really good. Means you guys are watching longer. But the actual like subscribers aren't increasing as quick as they usually do. Which, I mean, is fine. I'm just like, oh, why? I guess Vlogmas is probably a reason, because everyone out there is doing Vlogmas, so it's not really a way of gaining subscribers, because how do you make a vlog in lockdown? Well, how do you make a vlog during a global pandemic different to everyone else's? You don't. Yeah, I mean, I don't really care. I'm still happy with my videos that I'm putting out, and I think that's all that matters, and that you guys are enjoying them, hopefully. So yeah, but yeah, how are you guys finding like Vlogmas, the current pandemic situation? Did you find this lockdown easier than the last one? It was kind of strange for me because I was working during this second lockdown, so I didn't really feel like I was in lockdown. The only difference was I wasn't at dance, or obviously like the ice cream parlour. But because I'd been off so long from the ice cream parlour because of the first lockdown, it didn't feel too dissimilar. The thing that I found the hardest was that last session at dance, because we all knew that we weren't going back for a while. So that was really strange. I thought that we would come out of lockdown and then we'll be allowed to see each other for Christmas, and then I think we might get another lockdown or stricter tiers after Christmas, because I feel like over that few days of Christmas it's just gonna rise so much. I really think it will. So yeah, it's been a very odd year. The next thing I'm using is my new foundation. I actually did a little tester of this in a vlog. I will leave it in the cards if I can remember which vlog it was. I know a lot of people found this one a little bit harder, but I think because I was working, it went so quick, like so quickly. So to me, it didn't really feel that strange. But I guess those who then weren't working and were literally just at home again, it would have been much harder. And obviously I haven't been ill from it. No one I know has been ill or seriously ill from it. So I'm lucky in that sense because I haven't had to worry about anyone or anything. Obviously there's so many of you out there who have probably had to worry every day, or you've got friends or family who are at risk, so you've got to be really careful. I myself have been really careful. At least I think I have. Obviously, the people I nanny, I'm part of their bubble and they're part of my bubble. It's a childcare bubble, which is obviously allowed. But I haven't been out seeing friends. When was the last time? Like, when we were allowed to see people, I did, but I still wasn't hugging, which is really strange. I haven't hugged my friends in a long time. Obviously at dance, I've been trying to keep my distance. And currently, because I'm 18 and my dance is in tier 3, I have had to do Zoom while everyone else who is under 18 has been allowed to go. At work, I was obviously with people who I was working with. I couldn't really distance there, but we were all being really careful. Like, so many of my friends even have been just mixing with everyone, and I don't know, it doesn't sit right with me because we've been told not to. And if anything would happen and I hadn't been careful, I would just blame myself so much. So I'm being really careful. We are going away for Christmas, which is allowed. We are staying in a little cabin, which will be so nice. We're staying in a cabin with this like Christmas tree package. So there's going to be a Christmas tree. We also get a little hamper there. And we're just kind of staying, not in the woods I don't think, but like, it's like a woodlandy kind of area. And that'll be really, really lovely because we're not mixing with our family this year because, so usually we join with our cousins. This is going to be such a long explanation. That is my chair, I promise. So usually we have Christmas with our cousins, but they're half of the family. They're, so my cousin's grandparents, who aren't mine, one of them's had an operation recently. There's a possibility that they're joining, and obviously we don't want to then pass something on or make anything worse, and we'd then feel too bad because that's 3 families mixing. So we are having a Christmas, just the 4 of us, my mum, dad and my sister, and we thought if we're just at home, it's going to just feel like lockdown, it's going to feel normal, and I don't know, Christmas is such a magical time. We want to actually do something. So yeah, we're staying in this cabin, which will be so nice. Anyway, yeah, I'm super looking forward to that. I think it's going to be just really festive and it's just going to feel so Christmassy. So I'm really ready for that. We're literally packing the whole house with us, which is ridiculous. We've got so much stuff to bring. I feel like we've kind of gone a bit crazy on presents this year as well, which probably hasn't helped. I got really overexcited ordering and spent way more than I should have, but it's fine. So yeah, I think it's just going to be really nice, really chilled, and I think that's what Christmas is about. We're going to bring the dogs with us, so yeah, it's going to be a nice Christmas. Are any of you guys going to see your family, that kind of thing? As I said, we usually see our family, but not this year. It's probably going to be Easter when we can see them again. Hopefully at Easter anyway. We usually see each other at Easter. Well, obviously we couldn't this year. Very weird to think that the whole thing officially, like, everything started to close in March. And it's nearly March. I was like, oh, I might use some new products today. And then here I am, using the same as always. Oh, this is something I was going to ask. Who has been your favourite to watch for Vlogmas? I always love Zoe Sugg, whoever you want to call her. I always love her vlogs, her vlogmases. I've really been enjoying hers. I've also been watching Emily Cannon's, really love hers as well. I'm trying to think who else I've been watching. I haven't been watching thoroughly, and I don't think they're doing like official Vlogmas, but James and Karis, I recently discovered their channel, I would say 2 months ago, and I just love them. I think they're just so lovely. And I mean, baby stuff always like entices me into people's channels anyway, but like I just really enjoy their channel. I actually discovered them through, it was like they were doing like an ASOS haul or something. I think James bought Karis something. Yeah, that's how I like discovered them, and I've just really enjoyed watching them since, and I am invested in their house renovation now. But yeah, so they're who I've been watching like the most recently. Who else have I been watching? You know what? I haven't been watching a ton of different people recently. I've not really even been watching anything on Netflix. What have I been doing with my life? Editing. I've watched a few Christmas films. I've had a few like Christmassy nights, which has been really nice. I've been watching Grays with my mum. I helped my mum wrap up presents the other day. My dad's, and then like her friends and the dogs. And we managed to get through 3 episodes of Grays then. Halfway through season 5. I don't want to give any spoilers if no one's seen it. But if you have seen it, Izzy's just made a big discovery. I hope that doesn't give too much away to anybody. I have seen it all before, my mum hasn't, so I'm trying not to give anything away, but I've told her she's not allowed to watch the rest of season 5 without me, because, I don't know, I feel like season 5 was probably one of my favourites, or at least like the second half of it. I feel like I've just mattified my face completely. I know this lighting is actually really horrible, but I can't do my makeup in natural light. I don't know why. It just never goes well. And then I tried doing it with my studio light and it was just bright white. So we're just gonna have to roll with what I've got done already. As you've seen in my vlogs, my bedroom has been redone. I have filmed my bedroom transformation video. It's like a 3-part thing. So the first part is a haul of like the stuff that's going into the room. Then the second part is the actual like transformation, everything getting done, and then the third part is the room tour. So that will be done soon. I'm thinking of doing an updated makeup collection. I usually do these around the New Year time anyway, so that will be coming up soon. I've not got a ton of videos planned, to be honest, because I feel like everything is just so changing at the moment. I'm like, I don't know what to do. I've just kind of been trying to think of some things, but there's not really a ton. I was like, what should I film? Oh, let's buy some clothes and then I can do a haul. And then even then I bought loads and then I just forgot to film it all, so that's great. I did upload a clothing haul yesterday for Vlogmas Day 9. I feel like I've not done my hair in ages. Hair? Makeup, but I think I did it on... No, I don't know what day I did it. I'm thinking about doing like a Christmas makeup look, if any of you would be interested in that. I mean, I think I'm doing it anyway, but... Or like a Christmas get ready with me. I'm not sure which one it's going to be, but I've got my Christmas outfit now, so that's something sorted. I don't know if that's something that other people do, but ever since I was little, I would always get a Christmas Day outfit. I don't know why. It would just be like something a little bit nicer. And then I'd usually wear it at like New Year's or something. So this year I've got like a black velvet dress that I've bought, which will be something that I will actually be able to wear another time. I'm so excited to go out for dinner. I don't know why, but I feel like I haven't been out for dinner in quite a while. I feel like the last time I went out was when I went to Wagamama's with my mum, which was ages ago. Well, it wasn't ages ago. Must have been a month or so ago now, because it was before lockdown. I don't know. Okay, my eyebrows really need doing. Thing is, so as I said, I've been trying to grow them out, but they grow down, and that's not where I want them to be. I want them to grow like normal eyebrows, but they don't. I mean, and they are really thin, and because they're blonde, it just doesn't make matters much better. But, you know, I work with what I've got, and it's fine. Like, at least I've got eyebrows. Some people aren't lucky enough to even have any. So, I shouldn't complain. I always look so tanned when I do my makeup, like in this lighting, at least in my mirror, not on camera I don't. And then I come out of my bedroom into normal light and I'm just so pale. I'm like, but I put a ton of bronzer on and it just does nothing. It doesn't have a colour, but it's this like really pretty peach colour. And I didn't think I'd like it, but I really do. I usually prefer a darker blush in the winter, but I think it's really pretty. Even though it says matte blush, but it's literally got shimmer in it. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see. And it is like a shimmer when you put it on. Oh, something in my eye. But yeah, really love this blush. Very glad I got that in my advent calendar. That was on, I want to say day one, and I think it's been my favourite thing so far. I know my makeup is pretty much the same as I always do it, but if I do a Christmas look, I will do it differently. My eyebrows look really flat today. Because the blush is shimmery, even though it says it's not, I've probably put it a bit too far forwards. I actually need to clean my makeup brushes so much. I said in one of my recent videos that I don't think I've cleaned them in about a year, and I honestly think that's true. So that's kind of gross. I'm actually running low on mascara. Right, I'm gonna get back to you once I've done that. Okay, mascara is done. My face is basically done now. All I need to do is add some lip stuff. Okay, I'm gonna be really boring. I'm gonna use my MAC Spirit, which I haven't worn in a really long time. I love how I only have one MAC lipstick now. I used to have so many. And then I'm going to add on the Maddie Ziegler lip gloss, which is not actually clear. It's in Peach Pucker, but it's kind of clear. Okay, that is everything. I am completely ready. I'm leaving my hair because I'm lazy. No, I'm going to do it later. I think I'm going to, well, I might do it. I might not do it. I might just leave it like this. But this is the finished makeup look. I'm really sorry about this horrible lighting, but it was more just a chat than me showing you what I'm doing, so that's fine. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's been super chilled, and I didn't really talk about that much, but you know, it's been a little bit chatty, and that's all I wanted to do. Just wanted to do a little catch up with you guys, have a chat about what's going on, how you've been. So yeah, please just let me know, comment below, DM me on Instagram. I'd love to have a chat with any of you guys. Yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to click the links that are in the description and check out my Instagram, all of that random stuff. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you tomorrow with a new Vlogmas video. Bye! I can't breathe without your love.